So I TETE MMOFRA who brain edry. And I met TETE MMOFRA kunya kesi mudi in some bro. Your friend MC Omar Sterling, the finest MC in America. Na goes la beka se zip it. Na de bia dance once a shifting cultivation bia cause when se minu aba no nko baby aye heya no wo na se na agronimu be de kakra. Na insa bia ba ye nsem nimu ye the trending stories na be ko echi na ya brobros na the main topic for today ye loneliness. How it leads to depression. Say relationship, say young kasi abrabum, baby, loneliness, or on monqua, whatever their ma, or drinking with me, coffin, man be brave. Now, dear Quan, a decide neighbor, it be real room, a beam, yan about what they are bro, God's love, hey, dear, yes, and come on the bed, the pa. I feel so me do could be catchy, agrochemicals, I saw ye, yes, a wow, yen no buy, and I saw ye food ye. Yes, a big catch na make for mount. A catia dear catty beans were for suko, so beans so that just say a drop papa, a walk it just so you move a whole do be brave, a wahanum, ye, you move be brave, the big cocoa, so a bro, obey any idea, didn't a best supporting a mouth for a fair amount, not by an green, a football or a intimate green. But so if we be green pa say green. Because green and unim green. A big catchiness and make come for money at the year. In the end, so before kak fe kama out the could just so and so to a big catchy agrochemicals and I make come for the amount. Sense and a beko and a jumedi so training stories near the adini now so no yanko jen kratomra.
Life gets better with a jacuzzi be shining bright.
Ni afiani ya ye de na de ani je be ye kuade a eye duro ba ko pe na me kan fo ma ho eno ane warrior super anase strike super ni nyina ye adura ekum wawa efri aburo nu emu bia no ubie su a na wabuniti no eye 30 mils no na wo de agu nsuo no wahwie agu tank ni mu no uwia kata so na wo so no wo so no wia wafa onieman na de ahye oti afi peja tank no na de abo wachi se de okoyi palishit no na aka crotch na wom na wahye ase na de gu so na mum enkoto mu basabasa de obeye ne se eburo no mfinfin pe no a ebe pese no ho na mo ane hyehye na de aduro no agum kafo mienu pe wo se wo de sa yon roso kra no a obe nane aye se nkutu mo hwe se de mani asi agi ya na nya bibia se aduro ba ko pe ana ama me no ba yi aso sa no ahyase no me di gu so na me yere kra no ni tiri mu ntene no ene mo hwe se aburo na fama bebri aso doso enti ba bia pe bia to bia no onsa beka bi na me di kan ka se ni do sopo de fu ani kire kumasi emrom bi ka kire agrochemicals akosomo on se afu na ye fefa warrior super strike super amakuaye aye de catch yourself. So you kuani na onobaye ebe so na ye fefefe a eye nuro bi ene betimi ama na yeyi we ye friend say savior eye duru a ye dugu enobaye so enye savior nko uhwe we ya to ne din say strike ye duru a eno so ye dugu meka say atosode ema aboa bie ntimi mfa na no enye den enka enye no nko we me de ma to ne din say slim macho ni din ankasa eye impact so ye duru a nani adin pa enu so di gu no bae so a na chese abo bi o so bia no obeko hwe uhwe machi ha nya wura ne gu ha we ya yoyo die hu ni sitiro ogoso a wo sa mezop no wan fa we anka ho a enye die hu wuza so na be ma no bae no anyini prom so ye kuani na ba beto se wontosi wato de anyini kama na wakoma ye den atho yem enti upe bi ato a fu ani kire kumase emrom ko bi ka kire agrochemical shop ono oton no baye hundo nyina makasa afi mema kuaye aye de ade ajara jihutu
TV shining bright, serving laughter day and night. Feel the joy it brings to you.
TV so I TETE MMOFRA studio ni we TETE MMOFRA ko hu de ehu ane ye ka de ye te so ye kama ne ye o ye se o chia mi onim na asem kan o se na waso mu eno na papa ja ko chichiri mu kire na minim se o muslim macho ne don't mind the body na aka ho na se duro no powerful pa de gu no ba ye so a kire se enye kasa bebre me ntra kasa bebre no na ye papa agya ko cheche mu kire no na answer na be ko the main topic no yen call highlights of the training stories. First story Jupiter e be ba be interview na okoye last weekend on Romeo na Romeo radio presenter TV presenter ka ho na obusa ne say na okwa yen hye den hu wo industry ni mu biem a o cheche se de be ya oba ye shatawale mu ode boa no okọ nyina ye hu ni biem nyina no Goslab ewa ha obebie mu no afifi mu ache no kwa ye echire afei yanko the main topic ne so o still loneliness me kwa me hu loneliness se wonko ahye dem being sad, unhappy and as being socially isolated and me hu ni say loneliness se wonko ahye dem ma oni dwuma bi adi ekofa ne ma bebre bra wa pomuden na odwendwen ne o ma ehu hia inti upe adwuma ya ana me hu ni se beboa ye inti ye nche ye ho kakra me nche me ho kakra na me nko me sister Ajoa so God's love ene da ho fe tete o ahon fe no ene de promas ankasa tete o yie ho ye fe pa ene de me nka se ho nya fe ba ene de eye promas se ahon fe ne wo pro ana wo promas ba ene de ene de dutwem
a pro max.
O serial crime kumre wa de yankopon
Jai rough.
Me pesa wo sire na ha ene wan sire kwa na se wa ama
And that's me cheap as a panty.
Sir, first no issue abroad you say the okona nim kaka e Pepsodent na oditwene senti se ne de se de gusu ani
use Colgate.
Colgate I say o sade kwa abrofu mu na se Colgate de onye broni anyi untime nyusu Colgate abrocha bagana ubekumi o Goslab ho ya fedodo
Thank you.
na me pesa nka wo boa me wo loneliness mu mis education de o ta educate o nyoma bebre ho obi ti baby o ka say twi kwa obeka ne say unkon akwahye okukuo na odwendwe ho yen fa ne bibisa maye maame no monte ase say loneliness kra no
Loneliness interest say unkon akwahye baby na odwendwe ho
me pacho montie ne ye
enye eno unkon na ekire
okay
obetimi obi ohon ma wutimi hu say okọ adwuma okoba oye bibia but deep down oye lonely.
Really?
Yes,
okay.
Deep down you're lonely. I think in the year 2022 or 2023, I can't give specific year as we see a lady be no outside. Yes, so you're asthmatic.
Okay.
Okwe juma de biaba but washa or you be on any family members ente on unquanete. And you know something? Okwe juma by or by no se seme wa ha say sisi na me share camera mu me hit TV. And now, what you say when you have asthmatic problem?
Okay.
Attack now when you are a chin no be a one.
To be him.
Obi enim. And woo a konyanim.
Really?
Woo a konyam net TV nisi so. TV nisi so no. If you know what in the drew baby, who say if you want more bomb, but no more say a rebia. Ball a beer, my baby fair free later on fast and running free on
Mr.
Sent in the court. No, we say, well, 2 years.
Eshene dem.
Eti akonyo mama omuko bie ni dem no. Or your skeleton and not tia akonyo ni mu na. 2 years.
TV ness is 2 years.
2 years.
Endum.
The reason here and say, the entia bebre mo so adwen ankoso ne say, ye see adwuma wo ye no. Or ye or moi sa ne rent so automatically na tie fi account
ni credit card okay.
Ni etua no. So Otua ya do 1.5 year. Now if scanning maybe and a landlord no e de letter come and say onfa like one shall see into ya na you know the car but onya reply bia and we court lease for hono o de come be book no na 2 years close to 3 years
TVS so the person akonwam
esi so and unim ye investigation they asked and conform one moment some you know mo can say o mo ti say TV ni si so mo nim say en craba ne nchen and o dia no mo hwe program na bibi so they don't care and they will be so there. Oh, 2 getting to 3 years no honum. It's loneliness and stress unkwa woti wo dwinji wo bibio but one kasane sometimes woti me kwa adwuma koba but within you feel like something is left out be free mu a part of loneliness.
Okay.
One relationship and penatchie Emma obi feel loneliness o feel pa
and no kwa na men e ho na mpesa o ho ma me yeah
secondly obi wo hono mo a oni ne family and chain. And then when you be so sociable, example like the story that I made. Obi wo honoma we extrovert, but only people around me like me.
Really?
Me say for example, me extrovert. I know how to welcome people. Me ne was rikiki ba me wa me limits. Me so can I can boldly say me need best friend. Ma dia bia ye church, juma, school.
Na me ntwa no wo hwe so e boa wo.
It is helping me.
Sir.
It is helping me. I'm when it daho.
Really?
I'm when it daho. And me I know how to entertain myself. Yes, when it that is one thing that I know. And there was someone who say visika. When it plan say what to say because if say you have many friends and you could say well you buy, you would like to buy something new, you would like to buy new shoes or anything. You get it. What's your say? But anytime piano, I say when it down and me the I don't know if it's because of how my parents raised me. Me swinging me ye juma, you get it. Me go school, I'm working. So I say well penny near man them how to find money, how to use money, how to place this, you know, and no honor. And after so secondly, you will be honor or you lonely because me penny him how to entertain yourself. Or be so you lonely because of the looks.
Really?
See you city and the body stage is city into where you lonely.
How does that work?
Mommy explaining show. Obia oye lonely because of the looks no. Because of see you see who sending who city be a phone be a winnie only to be and it's so near maybe one on canny who shame.
As a woman is where did them to ferry so
ferry and no more ye lonely. Same pon when in BB ya was so back into a non quantino and more ye lonely. And when that thing comes, we depressed. We depressed, so I rate me about me high blood pressure.
Pressure there, anything
diabetes. Because when you say every end product of starch is glucose, and glucose is sugar. Yeah. You get it. And right now, if we are having obia or you depressed not on cover beer or did you penas or jing as a yeah that person automatically you could see any panel being as higher and so or phone you get it. That is a deity me but who feeling low self-esteem about what it's mainly due to loneliness and depression. And our face so no in relationship bem or baby or honma na bem be on my way jai or baby or brown that's a pair of
and also to me see
say who a relationship more na penny panel jaya treatment a treat you after the relationship is different from say who don't ni panel no way jai no now because of being seen away jai ni panel now we jai ni panel quantity me more lonely of which we are depressed.
And also
because who penny as that moment will be who you are be your person quant so maybe yes and a show a show I feel now said Jim near many quite so any pan being put take advantage of me be crampa me good enough what would you about him and that moment when you see an ebape you have sleepless nights sad you different from low self-esteem no and no the low self-esteem no it's just say Emma won't me the way your person will relate won't me and relating to who did you wada but experience no what did you crown to me now what what you say and also phone and I would dream a brace so when it appears on your body, everything. When Nim Krana say, why is what yes, so made them yes, so because break up, it's me, and I see a giant relationship to me will be called depression. May I may nipano boa only with what I make kind. Say, be a mob breaking up, many panel that's open.
Yeah, memories. Your mom, why, yeah,
memories are my year. It's me, my also committee suicide.
Really?
When you so be sweet to me, Jai Juma because of say, I say, that moment unfinished, as one will be in Casa. You get it.
That thing is killing the youth.
To me losing a Juma. adwuma kra wontimi nko asa na adwuma ko ntimi ntene no ho that thing is there too and you will be one so a loneliness na onu ni loneliness ni nyina koye say oye extrovert too na so woni maame oni papa oni obi asankrofo no mo ye omo niam basabasa most of them
Gosla me ntwa no me na me hu ni say loneliness no in the relationship kra no ade a loneliness itimi cause ye nipa anyankopon eyi wo free and I said tibia bia na say relationship bia na wa onim say ade na wontimi free anyankopon aboa wo am watimi afiri man na say afiri nipa na life but loneliness na cause wo life on every blessed day na wo feminine no etima wo sa etwe ko nipa ko na anyankopon yi wo free ni mu no etimi sa atwo recall back to memories na nyoma like nyoma be hu hia mo ye asimasi ko no ye we mame mbo kwa nko aso mimu ko afefe mafono ko ye say anke ye ko ha ba ha say ye to nyoma say woni me ya adwene sa me sa na eba ma me koda dwene ho no bibisa na eba bitiri
eba otim say loneliness ne
nyoma e ko se no nyoma etimi ko se no
experience how
like in experience like nipa bi wa won say na wo kan relationship bu a opeso ofi ba wontimi baby a wakonya obi a oma wani gi at that time enti nyankopon memfa ne se nyankopon aboa wo no amu afiri sa relationship na wontimi for years wontimi free mo no afi wo afiri ma wi a sikop se wonni adwuma ye se bo ye kwadwefo kakra enti no unso obi a wo ye busy bia wontimi pass through that the make no de bia why by nye like unse percentage ne sheda nye high sa
high pa let me tell you dent high papa dent na oba anabema owo na dwuma ye okobo otimi taduane di otimi tuane bills but still no filisa wo ye empty
really
yes
na bia na bibi ha no
tie enye bibia na ha no that is part of human o feeling ne ho say at long last ne say wo kọ ebampo na ne maame ni papa mu nyina wo ho no wia obia mudu stage bia mo have more life o
what's that
wo wadwuma wo wadwuma wo koba ebia wo namfo ni nyina akona pon wadwuma wo ba fie it's only you
Gustav
some konfo ni nyina denti na on denti na mutimi say sorry oba bi won ma wo sika be me bi wo sika wo be wo wi a wo se ni aka nyina ye se me nya obi ne natena obi a wo ge
eno ne wo ho eno ne wo ho
so having everything in just how you lonely you I'm telling you you celebrate see ya you hu omo say celebrate see ya you hu omo no we have people and they have money and then one nam ha ba bibi e wo hono ma e ma e free ne homo filisa so onye complete
God's love and also being a celebrity now omo problem na different from normal people you name you as and I'm person say example no quite say o bia o high personality so you nimo so you say God's love obi bobo God's love obi anim so TETE MMOFRA dey say o ma obi anim wonti no oba won chen kra na ebia won data uhia obi uhia obi as boyfriend and as husband kra no uhia obi ba o personality no oba won chen na offer one ferry no ferry no usu uhia no ever say bia obenya kwa guy de no ho fepa nko be pay me na so opinche me a e me edi nkomo kwa eche bia nke betimi adeti ba o personality usuro so na God's like we kwa kasa na won tete mame and I say wonye na won mama attitude you see that thing and also cause say no no and I wonji ni sa with sa celebrity lifestyle now me di be shem keke
but with this statement I want make it CC no let me tell you one thing me say me I did one na me person me explain mo obi ti ase na me de me ho example say me to me a me be me bia onye bold bia no you don't attract me
Vim. I can't say Vim.
Has a we din crampa and then I may have video beyond AJ Pounds.
Okay, AJ
Onuya TV. Na my ground you was saying to on air. Do you know something? Or say kwanya of us ni kunu hia. Na di kunu ni a shy type into a pen won't men kan okaka chair or sister be say. Oh, me pe kunu me pe wa down for you.
And they tell you.
And also sister ne so ya ne ferry phone ti sister ne so friend say eh aso mesi se opewo no sa o sha na eje so pen ba na eje yo ba won ti me nkoka and o say eh sa any me fa ne number ma me so me feeling e don the pa o can grow way
Bluetooth
won ti wa can grow way into that moment na o ka sa na o say one ne kasa wo phone so through that woman no and a connection is as here. It's your one what can I grow well and on us walk about who no space in all the amount you need to push forward. They say we baby. Now there might be an also to me more Benny Mumma pen men I pel.
I thought that God's love and no more for me say me the who example a ma ya link ya mami ene ma mi am de ma no apeno e ma na ya link ya mami ne do se mi am say my for ba me feel ho ya me feel ye ntwempene endru 1%. Be ma oh mama post you na ge bi so feel oh sa na afa
now so oh David so yes so agitum say am fa number ne ma
oh say I don't know pictures beba what's love oh ma oh say no oh you nice say no oh you nice the be to aso
let me tell you
mema on
that means wo no uma opportunity say manembra say yes so o baby wo hono so so you bet me apostino I'm landing you bet me apostino oh me nigga bi say no who your phone one can say oh okay me das what's up for number there be am for number man it ends there
see me and me say dependent no into ono be first me post to group me post to me start me post to social media obi amount for paper on number pa no o bema de be can say sir omo ye kama de oh e bia ni pa kono nim do pe o ma we do sheda anchi nim say wo mpe so you see that thing who say wo say o ma we de nim say wo mpe that type o kwa e bia happen we say e bia happen o ma we de nim say wo mpe me mpe de na dog ne ba oh ma we de open bi on to share we de eni monyam o sa send the picture ba me picture ne ba na de open e bia Nyankopon bo na de open a u Nyankopon che na ye bo na nu e bia na onya
oh but yeah, and they say, "Mami, come to public. What we pull my be our, oh my, your chubby girls will TikTok. We have fiat or pal."
I don't know what say, Jumano. Oh, same market and go stuff. Ye dear go ani dear go men say let's be serious here. Say me catch you say go stuff had I go so be there. Did be me catch you say go stuff afum. I will feel safe. So ba grown so here there. Let's continue. Enti me kwa me de enti no say me link up na e ba na e more since say me ma pe oba number. Say ma ko share oba me ko fro oba no. Say me ko pe no. Intense o me life me nka say me nya bi do but intense link up na do so nti my addicted to link up no. Time be me wo ho a me try say hey o ma we dey open bi a o ge bi pa me post o flu keke no so o yi na juma o be man o sa na ma hwe the picture na bi di kan aba se picture ne bana so e galo e de capacity so a wo beka say wo mpe ba say dey open bi dia o nim say we dey me type pa kan Nyankopon mama nya say me mo ba nka wi na nka me bo no unim say Nyankopon ayi wo ba o pa ma no e say bi kwa na ono kwa na e betete wo life
those ladies do you take them serious
I don't know it depend it depend me family me relationship girl no be share me oh na me ye program no buy and she was like obe test me no and I'm saying no nya me number o catch me so wi me number free obi wa why me madam for no post me flyer me dey be program and I want no pick or bad program na so pay me number but no nya obi emusa no
okay
pull us on no ba Nyankopon you say obom pa sometimes Nyankopon tie o ade a chi say ken no so obi post me flyer say o man say right o me mpa ba be ma me pen o de na ma me ano we mu say di fa ko no ano wi ana ma no be test me but no be test no nim say bia me brofo ne so ana say metete me ho aguzi fi say onim ba bia me duro no ono no bu ne ho abu fi say one no say so me ka so ya akra ana two ba bia obi me MC o mani panim no
o ya akra bo obi anim say o ga on ne body nya akra body
let's continue eti eno sa no goslav o ya na o ya nipa bonese mo studio hanum say enye nsem me no so ka goslav afum why you doing this goslav enti ono no me hwe nkomo na odi na me hu se girl no ohia me ene se wo peba ohia me that moment ohia me enti me hu ohia na ohia me so na me sen then na me girl call UK ana me nye ma adwen say me be serious relationship na me focus on adwuma na me je oh in trying there say unya ba ku bi ye ultimate fast so ba no kora no e wo say wo ye yi wo ho ati ase wonti ase kwa beti ase
so beti ase so sexual health we
me sexual health the god's love
baby akeke wa kwati go no ni HIV bia wa
me sexual health me girlfriend on bet on ni life say your first sex ye kwa HIV test ono beka ono kwa na no wa ana me kwa ye kwa no usuro and I was like I don't yare ana Debut. I say, mama, yeah, mama, and ask my man and ya banner who so say, sex are having in my own protected. I know that be shabe man or press our life, no.
Yeah.
It's not a no so.
Why
It's me busan, I don't Ariana, Sirio, yeah, the mamma Ariana. Then you must was there, but I'm saying it's as a who was not so nibia. I fear koye by or your kino, no, as hey, my mamma about so many da ho, na me cried, and I'm saying, son, it's a ukusha ma, the need da but more as I dear.
O feel
I was said, who's a bear man, and that's all no bedake. Sabem met me do what someone call HIV tester, or some baby or freeba. And yet, Sabi, and Naka can say, me no coded like a cantina about life.
But we say, and yaka loneliness. We're a podcast, so we discuss things around.
So,
club Jumana way no. When will be having sex or club order?
No. And will be as soon as you are about a minim MC of my fee. Me fee crown, no be home box and my babeda.
Okay.
Or baby fun in sense in a book, Kumasia, 7 MC of my Hakoda. I want heifer, and I be mu club, na me club come in and me fee. Me fee come in and club.
Say be a hotel, didn't call
Me, me go be any mass, me bed they dry, mom person be chama dear crano. Me mouse you, who person chama dear fresh my dream. Gilby, ma, I want to see you. Me person, I don't know. Surprisingly, me person, me yena me the bro. No, me nifi. What the fresh pull a Saturday and other Sunday. Hey, onu who be my me. Into moon say me date me girlfriend no. No man no who you say. You cry ye me penny for kwana. You know you will be the crana ye ba ye. You see me to your wig ye na crackato no o my kwakofano. O bedwe no am nyanko pon ba won te ase me won te masna me ma bete wase. Unim de me pe na me so nim de ope. Ade de ye hye wotirim na wo dwen ne sa na me so me dwen wa hanum say.
So have you ever been lonely? Don't say you have a girlfriend. Have you ever been
lonely?
lonely?
Say kan no. First.
Why lonely da?
Ti me say the wusi kan na ye me de. Me happy myself. Obeba me won nyoma e mama niji. Obeba no na me tie me de betena se adwen se bi nkwase asem no me de betie nwom.
Okay.
Apenyoma bebre aka me yi ho. Today bia obeba na me tie nwom wa mapiano koso me trim na me tie nwom. Me girl bibuza me say me ra hoda na say me girl kra ra hoda na me buza za de. No ma se de wusi tie de ho ani kapa ho. Na se de me kwa me nya boy me nya wo girl ko ti ma mesre sa na wo girl de na ni beji pa na mesre. Na me say sa na hu no say oh yeah like we jovial ho so ye fe de aka ye bi eske bi a wo pe say wunya wo life na e bi aka e wo life na me say sa no say yeah if it's a girl no first no nya me girlfriend and a group ne de ko share no kwa no me ko post me picture to me keke wo ma nya say group ko introduction ya de na me ko post no we ADM no test you are very nice to girl ba ko je o my attention no NS ni no I think us no cat on first day also a boy uti and I'm so oh boy okay obi oh boy no you didn't course 2 hours oh boy no get on this ya na name dey no first day my friend man friend bio so boy my friend man da me jatu ma be Thursday ana no be Thursday me eh dogga mo say ma person me say adai now the way you were near my so boy na me obi oh boy there ochina nko yakohwe acid kwa was me boy na when you serious like seriousness na onye na say ne boy na sa energy na me de buy no oni bi guy na feeling no ho oye no ho buzzy senior man o man girl na nje ne girl no ko na nche ko like some they make energy be any relationship nim if the be man na nkasa oye no so senior man so they want me be ma won sere basabi ye na mu ye say nim de time ye nya time mama ye betena again ho ye betima na stress ma na tension no mu de munim say ni bibia sa na ma no so pe e ma pe memo me jovia one eniska o be ma o be ma na sere o de say unji me kwa kusua say si jimi ma o ba sere de bia o girl o feeling lonely that and as o ba ko oni ni ndeti me de girl ni example.
But when you say statement here, okay, me when you say different.
Different, be more.
When you say you have major thing be o honma o baby happy.
Inti.
Major thing be o
honma. And I say inti. O de obeka no kre say e mama mpe me mom ho osere. Like when you be mo e job, and say we jimi o ba be ma no ho osere.
and no you say.
No. Lie to me and I say tell me the truth.
Oba
be bebe and say bebe ma obeji mi sabi unini gina ko so na wo sere me say oba bi on no bebe ko betimi asere sa from starting to end.
Let me tell you something. I guess so oba pe be mo betimi amana asese mu jimi and asese obeti we are major 3 and now 4 near me.
I don't need the bad. I want to be the making a film.
There be near who can a first point to be a person me make it. Be no in chesa who be man who pay Jimmy and as say.
Answer me yes specific no.
Or be a pe be ma one.
Or Ethiopia.
Or feeling comfortable around. Say who ma si say so Oma si say who me date wa. Na say me feel comfortable say metimi around me humpo akyerɛw ana bibi meet ase wo se sa de ni nya ba pe jimi ewom
eno ni free hefa
eno ni free how compatible you both are
and how compatible are why if side bay
compatibility ne ba dia jimi ewom but say compatibility eni mu a jimi ewom
God's love my mention wa the relationship ni esuesu ademeboa my mention wa the say who could date behema first date amobeko no be ma na me wan hu sesi na meti a emu nye de mame fa sign be bi esu nka be ka se me ka no kre wakohia be ma wo be hia me no first day wa ba me fie obaye na me feel boys na me hwe me TV me hwe me TV na ase ni nipa kwa na te ho no baby oh first of all me ba will you feel okay we feel okay next time kwa be ba me jebi
se me ma e no na make us a compatibility no
ni na be si de me make na so ti de make no ba wo bae oh na maso wonsa sabi na matabo na yasere agro na midi yo me madam fu go na get timi dia go to the stand omo na mabonte ko timi so get nsa and adam power down for ne me so ye dey ye nam no aye si na get na nkasa asa asire o na ni je ho se guy na ye ne sa and na magro ni ni bedi for the first date am be hia no kwana so ba ko sra no say whatever ma ko hia no say the wo be ma no obesi ya che girl no and the my relationship na head na say nye de you na ko we the make no wo say wo kasa
compatibility on
say the make no say wo kasa one side we are wrong other side we are right wrong na any say be ma no me say only me date me wo say me open me jovia meet me ni we di agro me girl say na me ka che o me ka say oh me mpese wo be fere me one me mpese wo be fere me fere me mpese say woni oba ani agro a di go be for run on call for if so the boy they were too disciplined na me call run mo na bibia ma ha kwa ha oni mejai ba say o sha be ma no first I go ni be di kwa ga be ma we kwa de me ne te kwa meti ma yi mframa eno no ye guy no e kwan a wo ma na be da ne ho ama wo hu enti na wo o de wo ti sa ne ma na wo siri
oh mama make us a micho
o ti sa ne ma na wo siri o ti sa we na wo siri
but I'm telling you the truth to hear wo si say on ye compatible with work Benon chese sabi me jina ha na me no ye
oh it needs our Bible it needs our Bible no
so
we are talking about relationship not
so,
work
yeah and I make a choice say and I make a choice say on when me no obeshia na when you compatible as I jimi na mamu
ana ni na ko wie sen compatible na o kan no monti as ni na ko fan na be wie sa de no ni na ko wi de make ya
Matthias
God's love and they say they work on make you no see boni mo ba was oti dem so make can say
Matthias we dey we
no nessa me be ma ba was Montias dey be anything mu ko relationship na monu mo ho no oh ti dem make no mu ko relationship e bi ale say oti wa 3 years mu fa be ma dey unim de be ma dey aye o and say unim de wo hu be ma ho so what you say nti ko remu a na fe wo bro fun say ade ya me ko remu kwa de ma anwen ho na me ko ye you make us what him say
me make us me chon you man there is one thing now you know like
I don't know
we a bad boy you know say me me God's love ametia say me God's love ametia I can boldly tell you when my dear etime sheme pa me whole life am ba yin nyina when my dear master dear who say etime sheme
I didn't etime show
when say adwuma me ye e kwa afa
you know something
my make us me cho meba let me learn mejume say Majume kwa fa pe. Mitimi usam ye very depressed. I'm telling you today. Me unim say adwuma timi akwa fa ma me shedem de wode na me su. Enya be ma wo adwuma nti.
Unim ye nti meti match o ye nti say meti match o the nti a now you are addicted to our lifestyle now wo kasisi ya no. Meti match o reason. Reason the same reason now we reason you know. One, o ka che me say o first guy and I say o first love wo share no. O first love Oceano. Or the first guy who sees so young crab, but it's when you're complimenting him. Maybe when you're complimenting him. Me stop. Joe, when you're complimenting and you're trying to no can make her. Joe, maybe who say, Kaunia compliments, say, on who of your too soon, a cracket on our offices soon. And I said, we didn't quite say, oh, yeah, my man can say, we make chill reason. You won't confirm or Musa or Mubum who are boomfia. Said, when she have been my common bear, I pray one corner or one fair. Minya, my life from Sassam no do our TV to an hour boon who are boomfin on them years till the mecano. Oh, no, now, who know be out with my compliments, no, in your youth age, no. Adwuma na obefocus no woni bibia costa me ka no na me nim no kure woni bibia de bia obehun se me kwa me na kwa be ma de me ye de me kwa be ma me de ne ye de and ma me focus
me be so into youth age na starting from age it's a question that me person want
obi ani age and dey e sha asi obi ani
Ghana has your fan say obi anyina o 18 years right
eno ne ye omo
18
eno ne ye omo
listen say am rasam ne wa ha say any ye can wa say so the statement here is obi ohonma onya compliment by itself ye di ne rough me de bia me kan me say on nyansa we won nipa bia obi at denti no obi betimi obi wo 20 years
now cause musu obi wo ho a otiminya compliments entem ye di ne rough na ho na nya compliment on you age ye di ne rough akure bia ma men kan chiro akure bia obenya compliment e wo ne nkura brem so ever say 15 14 years bia na ye di ne rough uni ma me ka chiro obenya overconfident
oh boy is a lie
obenya 18 19 years we say oh ya kan papa we ku hu me ka bi kire me mp we hu me ka bi kire me ohini we hia me ka bi kire me inte da netim na odi nkwase asem ohun ne se ne ho ofe ohun ne se ne ho akono efisi ya ka che se ne ho akono no didi ma men kan chiro okra bia ni ho a na so ba bia ni ho so a onya compliment ntema onye basabasa right now ni age awanya
let me tell you
for say me bona so de wana mfu be na so obi a wonim no wo de ka anything na lie okra wo ya we akra bi onya compliment ntem bia na obenya overconfident didi nkwase asem if it onim so wo so no ono ko so no mpokra na odi 15 years no wonya obi a osompo no goslav oso no wo 14 years onya obi papa hunu bi panyini hunu bi ka chen say ne hu sisu ne ho so ti de meka no
and ankasa I don't know
ade
as me say a statement we are okay it's a lie I am true
etiefo ni se no kra na meka no ahwefo ni se no kra no kra na meka no akra tie me
it's a lie
and it's a wunji ntuma say a lie
so let me explain
into what they mean into
no me kasa jitum
but
because people are watching
okay
who want make you point but let me tell you today say asama wo kan it's a lie
it's not a lie okay so am so menji wuntu me fi say I didn't na me dey make a lie
say ye debate
can say me family na fa wo dey men kan dey make an intro oh yeah wunti me metena set no kan dey make an intro ye fa wo dey no ka say to you no who say wo ka say me ka say to you if say my dream me father one say in your word no God sabafum in your word unim say the okay be good if you say when your advantages when I say importance be every mu ba ma wo life it one say the okay na right in your word who we as now wo no unim say the okay be fat me boa enti the make man ka say intro ba be ka say to me no sana wo hu no
to me and me to me
that's it
is not accurate to me.
To you, okay.
The analysis is not accurate. Because listen, Accra, Accra be also an hoye fe. Oh, God's love hoye fe. God's love ho ye fe. God's love ho ye fe. Say ye ketcha krasa akra ho ye fe. Na akra the 23 first point. At the year me masema. 1. Aya check your background. 2. Aya check your krana kasa susu ne personality. Because ya wa krabi wo hono mo a. I don't want to make example. Ya wa krabi wo ma onyini ba on. Ne ho ye fe. Oh, akosuo ho efe. Oh, akosuo ho efe. But if your background are one intine and no name chese ya kasa sound kra na wo kasa ya kasa ne ho efe nti wasoro no sa kra no make us say ne ma me kra mpo ni fie one ne na fofo mu kochini omo ye niema bi ope wo so akra ne ntade hyem ne niema bi a woye eno so introducing it to something say ni pa no introducing it to something else say ni pa no adie say no onye ye kechen say no ho afa nyina na nka ne maame ne papa mo ofie ofri school ba wo hyedem ne sa anya do see won kra we can keep them like that but still na nyom be no mo be but omo say to say obi a ye man home training and that's only parental guidance bi say ye guide no because akwabi won ma ye kasa woke na akwa na no ho ye fe ne maame bi ani ho no open school yo ne na fofo na echini one ne na fofo na echini no mo bo nkomo afei so no ono no otimi pie akoba fie anytime ye call out ye se kwame yuji na ba wakọ me see su nyina kwame yuji ba na wa ba fie time 11 12 na beba sa kra no kobi because ni obi eni ho no bo ne ho ba it that time no ne ho ye fe nyina na wanya sa exposure na so wa bonten no e woni tirim se ne ho ye fe na wanya sa exposure e mema and this kind of communication and doing a one it no and exposing a man one mema did that's how and exposing bema cro and man one ma did that's how so put that thing say today say and you say you catch your compliment ya cra send who you fa me for example say those me Senkaye de compliment now we make a statement be say I because of say maybe I'm complimenting me early in terminity. So do you think right now me do you think people don't compliment me? But I made decision. Obi wo me age I me to worse see me age see you didn't rough. And two patches see because of see a man a complimenting and you mess your mama compliment. But I don't just say, Monsieur Beme Bia, me name 360 degrees, Nini Panic.
You didn't get me right.
Carry yourself.
You didn't get me right. Me say,
and how you carry yourself.
We are ages 14, 15. Why do you need to see me? 14, 15. Me can't say my see me. Boss love. Anytime I say in your own world, no.
You did the sabu and Kaye mu say grandpa yes.
You're fine. You're fine.
Nini na esi hu asa. Anytime I'm just say biaba.
The o kan na too right.
You're gonna say you're fine. You're fine. Kaye fan say bia ke fine. You 16, 19, 18 years, 20 years.
Boss love. Me say me kasa on. Boss love say me kasa on. Aya tie me. Un say me ma specific me ma ages 14 15 na adwunu so. Oh yeah way say at 8 say oba de.
But say me 14 15 no.
Oh they make one tia say ne wa wo. Enye wo asem na make kan. Me kan in January ti the make no. Akora bi wo ho a say me make man ka say oba bia. Make a compliment ka say oba bia. And you say who say won ka ho. And me ya way say won ka ho.
Me aha.
Enti no me say me ka say me ka say atie me. Ana me man no
dwemu bia obi a me ma me kodwoma me na me no
14 na who say wa adwene bia no. You are from a Christian home. Ufri nya efia ye nyankopon nyamesom na atete mo. Minim say say afi ne de. Say bi so bi kura be firi no so ya kra bone kwa na e standard. Onko beyond. Be efia say do sika papa ni ho. Mami pie kodwom koton bayira enumra 8 no beba ahomache 4:30 o se koje bayira ko bantema oni time akra no enti akwese ne nanfo na epuluti na adwen o mami no yenko he o papa ni ho yenko he o bre ni ho yenko he sa akra no na omunya compliment ne ntem on their youthful age na omubenya over confidence if say time na adwen so na akra 14 years no we share papa panyin hunu no aka tell say akra keto na oto abobo sa no ne da ne tirim iya ko de otum be efio edani trim o God's love if na ofrim no papa bia nko hia nka se oto abobo a obesere da Obeko fi kwa kache ma papa bia mihia no.
Obi a want a compliment a mimi nyini ba me compliment a minya one me I.
That's it. Bonya no body. By ever say enkwa no de omunya no body na akra keto 14 na oto awuri sa no oye de nitimbe ne de. Nitimbe ne do 14 years oya akra.
Wonim so bi so ne I keke anase wonim sa akra bi wo onom so wonim oya slim oni to oni sheba ne skin nti ye kasa ne ho ye fe. But me de ye me ma.
Me pese me kire wo say me pese me kire wo say compliment bi wo ho a e do wura dwamambom. Ibi wo en fa wunwram. We say so bi catch us say God's love. When you are so wo hwene pa o ba wo sire ka na me fo. Adwaman se mu ma otiri mu da God's love. Mu me ka no kre. Ba wo bi share compliment. Me say ti da make me say compliment bi wo ho a e do wura dwamambom. Wo ya we. Ti wo de ti ma me ka say wi. Ana wo compliment bi wo ha. Entimi fa wo wura dwamambom. So bi share ka say when ni efe. Wo sire me fa. Adwamane ma ma atim. Mambo bi share on kan che wo akra wo ya akra bone say mami otu akra otu so pa no fune nkuru asa no wo mu be do na edu wu adwamambo mu kakaka edu be we mo papa yo kan akra me ho ofe okuja hwehwe ma no hwe ne to ba se ma papa kan akozo me hwe me to papa yo se me to obo na de onim so oto bobo na me no free ko kan ho asem na edu wu adwamambo mu uti de me baby me free ba no me nka de de o kan e wrong o you right ba compliment bi wo ha edu wu adwamambo mu straight. If it's a baby a free bano, 1 and 2 or 2. Wako him now, papa, no boade. Miss Laka say a pound of friend enough bako. Papa be a missiano, I am a 12 boname, me home and a debit. When you catch you being 1 any day. Unyaka so be complimental. And as unya compliment free penny for now catch you be a yode. And you don't have one will be a yet I got as one tire or about catching now for saying himself a person who tire. If she needs to know Sugunimu. So they were low self-esteem. No, subunimu. Kaka papa asimo okay. They were do mija. Send me your ba. Me unfiliku send me your me. Me ankasa kwa me unfili send me your ba. Na papa me nango pa bomb me pa no be beti me share me catch him say be me to achi me ni me see to like so come do muja. Ba compliment bi wo ha. E bu still. Papa yesi me no for sisi so kwa me hu yo. Okujan hwema no ohwe. No afefe ne ho. Compliment bi no. They do we adwamambo bi no. Na fe obinya kwa na wa run ho ni na che papa no. Se papa na compliment ni se no ho fe. No ho soso. The color out of swaz.
You are right, but mamika asembi wa ha se yon. Mamika asembi wa ha. Asembi eya metaika asembi yon. Nipa on udru piki bia compliment.
Piki na age bay.
Time I was say born no for ba. And I say bia.
So let's say roughly 15 16 years.
Even say adolescents cry bear 11 years.
Cry 14 years cry virgin.
What the young virgin some no cram punto nchen. But asema o kan e wo mo man, but they be ya me come see on. Sometimes when you are praying, I don't know, so be beti no be fan. Sometimes when you are praying, pray say you have kids on. Apart from say ubeti wu nyina echi nyankopon ema mbie na adwemu in life because
when am person catch you know
because me say wo kase ye kase compliment bi wo hono ma e de
ukọ adwamambo straight
adwamambo ati on say who make statement no make statement bi sa about me na me kase those kind of things and it's a lie and can. But what the young fan in general 10 was he say? Semini bano, or because of love, or when you may me love, or na me fe, love will say ye me fe. Na, and you say, nipa ba ko na account. If you crow young come ma cry now no mujari and I will srakra, they tell you. Or young come man po count. And you say nipa ba ko be me ka or baso can. Nini wo trim, but nini na no. One kasa wo ba no wa mum wuti ni nyina hu sa ho ye fa one a decision now make you say hu na ye fa na no nkyerese ya ne say itu pa che say ye ne e compliment ye na bia oba wo sra na o yonko ba kas e go slave ha ye fa eni na emfa ya adwen ko adwamammo oba bia susu a wo ye overconfidence na hu ye fa bia no so getting into relationship relationship na flow a content because
sex baba
aso ojini hu
One the home be man de bia no.
Debi enye so de ne homa be wani de bia but so wo hia oba na oba ni need that kind of confidence na say ono wo hono nkwa say bia obehye ni katietie as for fere wo onjini hu ni saa ye but so wo saa oba ni bia ade nyema bi we flow asem mforce wo bi what ya say but ya was some money be one ma when in person and where feel but onye na adwen say or rushing to relationship ama be ma compliment bi ama one na koda ofri esu no wakose we have some that women there
Ebi wo some can say bi ni ho
because once yet wutimi hu girl bi on girl no hu ye fe pa but wo ma see the we see aye club adwuma wonim sa ne girl no hu ye fe pa but you could see say this girl dear ase ne hu ye fe nyina no there are some lie bi a wonye
ho sa
what ya say so memi hu ne say it's a decision say wo nyini ba ni e kecho say e hu ye fe hu ye say no one say me my mom me saba no compliment ana me nyane o ma me gi tu mu pansa me hu ebia obi betimi aka compliment aba ni nyina be fa ne normal me nyini ba na me fa ne normal. But
so you see yourself unza ofo ne normal bobi ho obefo ne personal be koko gina hwehwem akohwehwe
na me gina hwehwem me gina hwehwem do you know say me
oba bia gina hwehwem
listen me si say me on obia wo yo oba bia me ne ne call tertiary me ne wo hostel efie krampo no me sra me dware wie na me sra I have no towel be and bomimu. Me did not want to pay say na me esra.
Oh, very good.
What I say, and those compliments, me say, oh, and your mama can a compliment you about. So we don't go back to me seeing Bosaka Cho say, Charlie, whoever, and I say, oh, body, sometimes I guess I will two and I say you. And yes, I can see Cafu be brand, I say, Mamma be brave, who's some more in Cadabio too. We have some things be on my it attracts men. Obi one when you are naked, your legs crumple can see one of the anything. Obi one will see like what she say employ anything. We see anything. So my something teeny nanny say. So ba ya ma complimenting in area. Now why with me as I say who could na me who say who ye fa. And you would decision. So we take it say God's love me. Because of some who have me yi me ho anasa say ni ade we have an itakufu there.
Anita Kufu okay.
Now who you fair TV3 and itakufu the lady is nice but when you know it's too much so when you confident ana oh the skin crumple for say ma be bromu yi omo
na man omo yi omo mostly ana most
what you say you get it. So nini na you say it depends on you.
This is the kind of education I'm person educative public, you know.
It depends on you.
Me ntwa no see for visit oh your bad okay na your right. But me now want to say me say compliments na by youth ages of 15 to 16 na ohono e man na say be imagine nusa. Enti do be ka to ni trim bia no say nye obi a yatete no Kristo sumu a. Wo say de bia meka o. Enyo obi a yatete no Kristo sumu say ono beka se no ho ofekura na ofa ne se no ma obi okọ beka je se no maame aka akire no ne unti bi oto abos mi maame aka je de jimi bi ne yedi na tam ne ekọ ba sa amani na no omo na benyini beye ma na se de wo kana woti wona omo na benyini beye sa ama no ba ma na onu fa obo no onyenwen ne se bra ko akusa na wabone kakra mi de memmo me sa o na oto na abobo se si a odwale pipe no na se oto ahurihuri ho akono de na koso ni tirim ona mane ko ntonya nipa 1 2 3 na ka na say no ano no confirm ne say the papa ne kan no sa na tie
ma asemu e ya wakasi si pa ho ama ma hu se ma dia to me say some day bi me father ka say me sometimes the way you obesi at area obesi at te wo ma e define it
yeah
because uni bibi me sa de we nyina ma nya say experience ni bi da me maintain a compound house
so what has sent me ka so jimi to
so obi so what it will back our public place ha me matimi ko ba ho no me say me say o keche me say me ho ye fe e radwa sa ma na oba wo compliment no na say efie ya mo da home training ni ade ade we na bi o mu yi o mo keche ye keche ye yi eni oba ya kwa sorry na aka ne ho wanyini na aka ne ho no
kwa sorry sa
we ni ba bi ye keche nyina ya sorry ye dressing nyina ya sorry enti we be usasa oba no or dress wa ye ne heel ne nine what you say ne nine year nice owns her microphone. But how bad Accra, young man is our home training, no need only parental guidance. Also catching na yes, Sabe man is so Sabe maybe a man compliment and that could crowd by yourself or Pierre Dimetti.
No, ain't no maker, Miminim de maker, and probably be over confidence near a cool. If you say Usano, say the God's love again, when you good background, say Christosuma, Enfa, Obana, Enfa, if you say era ne wo msisi ane nkwana sense mpanin fo no into no oba when you say asori ni bible ni de bia sunday o so kwa asori o so sisi hu say sa ma no so yemu de no ya no se fikesi ma ba we ye pedo be na we na ne mfigu ho
oh ye wo ma o mani ati o mo ko cheche o
mo dress nice by say the member sipe no ke be nya nanka ne no fo kakata ha na se wo yi na so sa dress ni bisa na member no ana o so hu oba say mema nyimi sabi bema bia ni mobo beware bema bia so nim stage obo person ne nante bema bia on youth age a opema obetimi na ko club obetimi na ko twishisha ogedo a guy na otwi wusie dragon otwi na tese oyi ne ho ohyehye ntare tatu no yegu no ma hu hia bebre na oye because say na ne boy ne pe bedru aware a bema bia njimi say obo ne kwatuna atwi shisha no de ne bekofie se ma me beware gewi obo bu ni tikales no na kusini ma mani so oba oto anklet no na kusini na onim se na mpe efi ofirim si empe enti sometimes na ma no ebi hu me mobo e ma hu mobo ebi mu utimi sho baby lifestyle se onu ani oga and ne be mo ope na osikam ne life mo be free 25 de we ma me kunu fo nko a okwa so de ma me kunu aso fo su se bi edi bi fra ebi se mo life na mo peke mu youth age na amo obi antumfo ana compliment na munya no mu youth age no overconfidence na your promise ayekase obi akasa mu ntie if you don't say the right path na anam so no se bi what the 14 wonya papa hunu bi se woto aboba panyi be na bekanya sesema kire obi papa panyi ni mpo na obetimi awo no watimi aka ache so ono fo na woto abobo de a na se nyansa bia ni ba bia mu gospel what the make na say panyi bia ni ba bia obeka se kwa so na se panyi no ka asa asem na che ni tiri wafu dwene uso na ka asa asem na kire o unim so panyi no ka se bisa agimi nsem na kire o na to otirim no entu nim se afuto bia ni ba bia se bi ebi mfifie na ebi aba abonten.
Friday, let's talk about is it good to date an old man?
Yeah.
We a lady, is it good to date an old man?
Ni na
We are going to
kofa.
talk about
And me what's la me ana me blame fathers in broken homes my baby na papa ne papa ma me agai papa ti akra ba me tikuma ase akra no obefre kwa check up no send school fees. And also or send chop money. Akua ho ye ngone nam ho. Oko school die eno ano no. Hwe na didiem baby a okọ otifia de oye ni na fa ni na broken homes. Awari jaye masanu ma we ni na ba. Enkwa ye say ni na ya awari jaye.
Some women are lazy. Some women, we use this some because some women and some mothers are lazy because what musa maybe or honma or titi akra na or titi no say a trebo and a school no ko krampa when you baby a when ska but mammy need to miss ne baba ni sika mammy
we say me hu bi da we say
bema susu a otimi bisa ne baba ma winim se bema enye sika bia no you know bisa ni wo sika seven papa for no montagne yes mama for na and when see and this thing happen it means that woman or your mother bonya mature when you good mother and you bia no wa your mother
akua mom bisa na be be ma
akua mom me bosia and you know see and those women won omo mama na mema na omo wo fie na omo susare omo mom na act to say bema na mama ni mom your ba because I feel
so on the biba
ntu be hu se later kra no ni nua nketo am kra pa so mu hu ne se ni nua and those people sa and man so na mama fo ne better to omo
some masculine energy no
dabi omo nim hweye
some more some masculine energy no eduane no onye
dabi anya some masculine energy onim hweye because on na eti sika dia mama me na etu nim mama ne enu aduane ana se mama na no enkra no na omo no na wo si ni sister niema enti sa ma no obeye sa lie saa ne de enye sika so wo de befie but ube hu no most and they don't know how to cook
they
don't know how to clean
onya
hwe ni nua mu nyina na ba because wo no maame na ama si de wasi bisa scam wo hu asa wo your ba wo ya kraba
some ko for mo deputy parents oma fa papa ne maame adwuma no mo ye nti omo no mo ye deputy parents omo na hwe mu nua nketo am mo sika ko school nti ono no ye bu omo kra se maame na ye wo omo ba wi ase no me dem sister na hwe mi o me papa hwe mi o me dem sister na hwe mi o ye na sister na ni eden so kunya sika ne free se efri fa se efri duam se efri wa o so nim se obey omo tire no on dipa enti sika no kunya free adeda ye bia ti maame no so akua bom musa na ne be ma o wo mom musia fa nkoto adim de be ma o me de be ma da ma fa ma o me de be ma ma akura so pesa dodo we am de ma we be di be tu sika na fa ma me no de ama no ti maame no oni ano ho anu akofo unwanted pregnancy no de be gu fie ho no say yentimi nka if you say on the ba na akwanye ma ho na yekubi na ho na nyim sama na ko musa na ho na nyim o na ne papa we o mi do ho no ano no ya brushing off akra ni be nyina busa ne papa busa ne ba aka nyo papa ewu no so ateki sa o ma me four steps na no o suesi o ma me na sisabi se ye wuni po se ye wo mo na ewo wiase ye na enim the topic we dey happen a very broad topic yes I bet to also Friday na God's love why so they say Friday yen kan fa dey be won say o dey two papa panyini say wa hwe say papa we obetimi a wo me na me ne twempra makoda ho e bibie me nam say one me na eye anasa enye eno na Friday nti munko sua bibi mfa ho me hia mo comment Friday pa me ba ha me nheda nya adwuma me hia pese me read comment about this topic me ne God's love be hia mo comment pa if say how you to know if say ma enkran ketinketi omo hye ntare hu omo town enye omo pp de ho akra be mama peer pressure ato bia so say bu ye jimi for kakra sana me ka che o akra uhu o background na ma peer pressure eto wa say bi ye jimi for sua ne hu ba bia wo firi ne kura wo ho won kura wo ma mansan wo kura wo ma wukunu a woni ne beda woni ne betena wo mma ana wo kura wo ma ne na amansan apotoyewa so ya mansan apotoyewa e do beto o level ememe njimi be me bia be ware a onimo ba ko ware no be me bia so ware kwase ametena fie sabi o ware oba obetimi ahwe ne mma obetimi anu aduan obetimi ahwe fie edi fie gya ne se me kwa akire na 1 month na meba obeba na fie nya ba sa man na edi fie gya wo mo ne se bi agimifo intimu na nwene ho na mo fa ntumu ho fo afi so na mekanfo bi ka akire agu chemicals ama ye kasa bebrebe na ye de koye mfu so opese wa kat efri wa fu so no kokoso a bi ka akire ye wo muslim master na yi ni na wo honom don't mind the body ni ade ni na wo na minim ye papa ja ko chichi ni na mu ofa bi ka akira yeah ayese de wo fa mojaduro na se boost immune system ama wa ye kese kama no okọ ayi afuom so a we ni na omko na mo fe ne se eduro bi na e ba lockdown na e fe ne se no mo topa o ne le omo ye ho advert ni ade a ono ma ne se unya ni bi coronavirus ni bi ne se we ni de cure coronavirus we fu so otobi ma wafu a chese me enye se kone beda mase akire wo beda mase wo hono ma enye kasa ni enumdwa bi ka akire agrochemicals na mekan fa so pese wo didwa e wo TETE MMOFRA so a akonya da ho ne branches ne bebre na wo Kumase e bi so main office no wo Kumase imrum e me se bebre ni imrum
omunyimpa
sa omo free akire aba Kumase no mo chede ni mumrum Kumase fo ne mu ni mumrum me ka se imrum a aha imrum de obi abe hu mumrum e ho na main office no me ama be bisashi kama be kan na ntime sure ne ade ni na bi wo honom nkronkro bebre wo Kumase ne Ghana ha ma bia obenya ka akire e bi ka akire agrochemicals look no further bi ka akire na mekan for amount afi so person odi udwa wo TETE MMOFRA TV so akonya wo homa numbers ni etwagwe obetima afamu bia no afre TNC applied said they won't come on the besi akono e ho na eso be hu se de besi ni wadili e wo TETE MMOFRA TV so aha ana ebre ebe makwan ne de TETE MMOFRA akohunu edwumadie ebesi enyamia metena TETE MMOFRA akonya kesie mu ede TETE MMOFRA akonya ensem bre ho no ye fa me MC o master me ni menua ba Gosla ba fu mu so o ye nwinwi wo honum say ne training stories ya mrobudo so ye be brobudo so Friday and ne topic na ma emre no ayebre aha na mede mu besi medamase bebre makra no
Jacuzzi be shining bright.